Capacities versus Heptabase. Which PKM tool is better? Choosing the right personal knowledge management tool can completely change how you organize and retrieve information without feeling overwhelmed. Let's briefly explore both options. Capacities and Heptabase are both powerful personal knowledge management tools. The core difference lies in their approach. Capacities focuses on visual organization and collaboration, while Heptabase emphasizes structured note-taking and knowledge building. Capacities is a dynamic personal knowledge management tool designed for visual thinkers. It allows users to create interconnected notes and projects in a visually appealing way. The platform leverages a card-based system, enabling users to easily drag and drop content, making organization intuitive. Its strengths include seamless collaboration features, making it ideal for teams and individuals who thrive on visual cues. However, users may find it less suitable for those who prefer linear note-taking methods. Capacities is perfect for creative professionals, educators, and anyone who benefits from visual learning and collaboration. Heptabase is a structured personal knowledge management tool that focuses on building a robust knowledge base. It allows users to create notes that can be easily linked and organized into a coherent structure. Heptabase's strengths lie in its powerful search functionality and the ability to create detailed outlines, making it ideal for researchers and students. While it provides a more traditional approach to note-taking, some users may find it less visually engaging compared to Capacities. Heptabase is best suited for those who prioritize structured information and need a reliable way to manage extensive research and notes. When comparing Capacities and Heptabase, consider your workflow and preferences. For visual learners who enjoy a collaborative environment, Capacities offers an engaging way to manage projects and notes. Its card-based system allows for easy rearrangement and connection of ideas. Conversely, if you require a more structured approach to knowledge management, Heptabase excels with its outlining and linking capabilities, making it easier to navigate through complex information. The trade-off lies in the visual appeal and collaboration of Capacities versus the structured organization of Heptabase. Choose based on whether you prefer a dynamic visual workspace or a detailed, organized note-taking system. If you thrive on visual organization and collaboration, Capacities is the recommended choice for your personal knowledge management needs. For those who prefer structured note-taking and a strong focus on building a knowledge base, Heptabase is the ideal option. Both tools have unique strengths, so choose the one that aligns best with your workflow and information management style.